That's on SAT. And one of the question is called literal equation. One of the most important concept in algebra 1 that nobody ever emphasized on that. Axes. No, well, not too. So let's start with perimeter. So let's start with perimeter. All right, those are calculus student, guys. I have to teach over this classroom. You guys have to be whispering, not supposed to be talking, because you guys are here. Then you guys have to whisper. They have the priority, not you guys. Because if I talk, I cannot talk over you guys. So the next thing is we're gonna go to is literal equation. Literal equation is like simple things like perimeter equal to 2w plus 2l. And we say solve for L. You guys should know how to solve for L. This is algebra 1 stuff. How do I solve for L? Yes?
Move the 2w to the other side.
Good. So I can do P equal to 2w minus plus 2L. You can always circle L to help you. You can say I need to isolate that L. So you can minus 2w on both sides like this. P minus 2w equal to 2L. And then you need to divide it by 2 to get L by itself, because if we're trying to isolate this L, we're going to divide it by 2. Guys, whisper.
I'm trying. I'm sorry, but
No, then you shut. I'm not going to have time to go over that. Or you can go outside to talk outside. That's fine. P minus 2w over 2 is equal to L. That's how to solve a literal equation. Now, this is an easy one. This is algebra 1. But in algebra 1 should give you a harder one, which just looks like this. P equal to I over I plus G. Solve for I. Now let's see. It's probably only 3 people able to do that in right now. Let's see if you're one of those 3. Now this is always on SAT. Always. Every SAT has a solving literal equation. You have to know how to solve the letter. If you don't, that's fine. I'm going to give you some guidance. The first step is get rid of fractions. Always think about this step. Get rid of fractions.
yes.
Okay? I don't like fraction. You don't like fraction. No one likes fraction. Fine. Get rid of them. We actually already done that before. How do I do that? Multiply by these common denominator. Multiply by these common denominator. So multiply the whole equation. So whole equation. Okay? Second, distribute when the variable is inside of parentheses. The variable you are solving for, is inside the parentheses. The solution is distribute. Third thing you can do is move the term or related term to one side, which is isolation. Isolate the term. And you can circle them that you're trying to isolate them. Fourth, if there's more than one term, you are solving for in one side. Greatest common factor. So this is 4 things that you can do. You might want to write it down. Okay? So here's the thing. I got P equal to I over I plus G. How many of you guys solved it? 1? Okay, Alexis, can you tell me your answer? Devin, is that what you get?
I got I equals PG divided by 1 minus P.
Yeah, that's the same thing. I just put PG, or I just put GP instead.
Okay, good. Only 2 people can do it, right? That's not what you got. That's okay. Now we're going to show you. Start by learning how to circle the term you are solving for. You got I and I plus G. You're going to get rid of fraction. Harper, pay attention. P. You're going to be P equal to I over I plus G. And you're going to multiply both sides by I plus G. And then you'll get P times I, or P times I plus G. I kind of just rewrite it. This will cancel out completely. That's equal to I. Any question about first step? Any question? Now I will have a I here and I'll have I here. Do you realize one of them is inside the parenthesis and one of them is on the other side? What you can do is imagine that you have to go rescue that I. So you have to distribute. Am I going too fast? So Pi plus Pg equal to I. So we finish 2 steps. We get rid of fraction, we distribute it. What's the third step? Isolate the term. Which term? The term that is circle, right? How do I isolate? No.
Minus PG.
No. Minus Pi. See, that's how you move, because you will have plus Pi minus Pi. They subtract each other, become 0. Does that make sense? And that's going to be Pg equal to I minus Pi. Is that okay? Now we finish a third step. We isolate a term. Now there are more than one term that you are solving for. There's more than one term because there are I here and there's I here, right? So what you can do is factor by GCF. So you can do I. Once you factor out, make sure I times what equal to I? 1, right? P, right? Now you can isolate now. You can divide it over. So it'll be I equal to PG over 1 minus P. Final answer. We're going to give you a 2 problem. This is a 4 fundamental step. Can they be in different order? Usually in the same order is fine, but sometimes you can switch your order up. It's up to you. But I think I prefer in this order because throughout the year I'd kind of go through this 4 order. So I call this the pig problem. Pig problems. Now I'm going to give you another animal. Panda. Solve for A. Next thing, I'm gonna give you a cat problem. P equal to an over d plus a. Solve for a. If you don't see the things you're solving for, circle them. You guys gonna have a lot of questions today? There's answers that I'm gonna give it to you, but you have to show work. Arthur, stay after school. Learn how to do it.
I already planned it. So.
Good. I respect Arthur. I respect Nicholas. They didn't pass the test. But I have more respect of them come and stay after school, try to get better.
Oh, I lost so much money.
He lost $20. That thing's not gonna cost $20.
Dude, the cost goes $16.99.
You still owe me $3.
I know. I was gonna say.
I'm a math guy.
I know. I looked at it and went, I probably shouldn't tell him the price.
You should tell him that's $20. But that, you're not gonna tell me that's $20.
Oh, it's I think it's actually, I think I owe you 14. I think I owe you $4. Like 15. That's clear.
But with the tax, you probably owe me $3.
Yeah, the tax.
That's wrong.
I don't know. I got a Costco pizza.
Come on. P equal to a n over d plus a. Sorry, this is d, not p.
PD over n minus p equals h plus PD over n minus n over p equals PD over
What?
I mean, you could cancel.
Oh, mature.
Square should be less than
No, I heard before even have a U.S. student already.
Oh, did you hurt my tails?
Yeah.
It's okay, bro.
It's okay. I divided it.
I would have loved it.
Oh, that's why. I wrote down my second D as I wrote it down wrong. So
Now every SAT has a question like this.
A equals A over n minus p.
Check each other. How many of you guys did not get it? Raise your hand if you did not get it.
that did.
No? Okay. Did you get rid of fraction, Nicholas?
Yeah. Beginning of it.
Okay, so you should get PD plus A equal to AN, right? Did you do that?
Yeah, I got that.
What do you do next?
Distribute this.
Distribute it, good. PD plus PA equal to AN.
This is the part that I can suck.
Okay, remember you circle the thing that you are solving for.
I thought it was a P, not a T.
It's D.
Well, that's why I said PP.
Oh my goodness.
That's okay. So that's
Minus PA. So that's gonna be PD equal to AN
Look, it
minus
looks like a
PA.
P. See what I mean? Minus PA.
So that got PD equal to A, factor out because there are two separate terms that has A in there. And that's gonna be N minus P. Is that okay? And you divide it by over PD equal to N minus P. Is that okay? Okay, I'll give you a cat problem now.
Wait. What was the last step?
I divide it over. I divide by N minus P on both sides because this is times.
All right, and just get it on the inside.
1 over C plus 1 over A equal to 1 over T. Solve for A.
This is
1 over C, cat problem. C-A-T.
Oh, that's it's 1 over t.
1 over C plus 1 over A equal to 1 over T. Solve for A.
Hey, kata. What are you talking about? I don't know, man. My nose is stuffy and I feel like shit. That's okay.
This question is on the test 10 on the SAT. Is that much harder than this one? Is that there's 4 letters instead of 3.
Farmers on today. I'm gonna be so happy. I'm gonna be late. Sorry. Really loud. I'll be late. We just.
Is that 1/t?
1/t.
1/. I'm trying to see 1/t. So for days. My wife knows what happened the next week.
What do you want for that?
I just not fractions separate.
And then what do you multiply by which to get all the fractions? No, he did some work. No.
What again?
Yeah. What do you flip to It's square root of
Wait, what?
Okay. I see a lot of fraction. How do we get rid of all three fractions at the same time? The crew isn't a question. Cat. You multiply the whole equation with a cat. What happened if you multiply? See, that comes down to simplified fraction, right? Can the C cancel out? That's equal to AT. Is that okay? Is this okay? Am I going too fast?
I don't get it.
Okay, CAT times 1/C. C times A times T over 1/C. Remember, 2/4, this 2 and 4 can cancel. Same thing as C can cancel. Does that make sense? So what happened in the second term? TC, good. What happened in the last term? CA. Now circle the things that you cannot, you're solving for A. If you hard to keep a track, just circle them. Minus AT on both sides. So I got CA minus AT equal to TC. Is that okay?
Yeah.
What do I do next? Factor out A. A equal to TC over C minus T. Now sometimes multiplying you get rid by dividing. Adding you get rid by subtracting. Those are the basic things you need to know.
Yeah. I just don't get
Today's homework, make sure you practice every single question. It's going to be a lot, but every single question is going to be helping with SAT. SAT, one of the questions that 100% always on there is literal equations. If you just know this thing here, you should be able to solve all the literal equations. And that's, you're going to say that's only worth 10, 20 points. Well, if you understand 20 of those questions, it becomes a lot. It becomes 30 of those questions, it becomes a lot. Because only in total it's 44 questions. You already know one question is always on that. Make sure you understand that.
I'm obligated to.
Okay, because I need to go run a club meeting. Yeah, but I'm gonna come back.
Oh, lucky me.
Are we supposed to give our test time?
Nope, you can keep it.
Good.
Make sure you go find out what is wrong with it.
Yeah, I made a mistake.
I'm posting homework right now. Yes.